season we really weren't sure we'd have, at least not in its originally scheduled form. The 2011 NFL campaign has certainly provided a thrill a minute. DJ Porter now with the sounds of the season.
I'm talking about the halls with angry coaches, angry coaches. It's easy to be happy. I shook your hand too hard, I shoved that away. I shook his hand too hard, so I was empty on the game. It's on me, obviously it's on me. It's hard to believe. It was a slap grab, handshake, the halls with a great year. Don't get me wrong, I'll be better next year. It's still a long season, the first straight of the season. I really have to explain how I'm feeling. I don't get the thanks like everybody else do. That's what we do. That's what we do. We show we can produce. We can win. Stack of wins together is what good teams do. This game is a game for the man. This game is a game for the big man. Not to blame the raps, you know I represent the Jets. Not getting respect, as pathetic as it gets. There's a lot of football matches to be played. There's a fine line between drinking wine and squashing grapes. I put the team and watch the game, make a quarterback change. We put on a clinic on squashing grapes. But I still have no explanation for it. The way we roll before. It's my decision to go for inside a half yard. Thought that we could get it. Yeah, the halls with game-winning drive. Look T-roll offense, look T-roll. I'm knocked down a bunch of times, but can get back up, get back in the hot tub, back in the cold tub. We're 12-0. Now we have other goals. 14, 15, 16-0. And loss is a loss. It's all about that Super Bowl. We'd love to finish another year on a high note. The power and the lights have gone out in San Francisco. You have a transformer club. I'm going to be ready. Let the soul lead. It does hurt not to be with the guys, the conversations on the sidelines. It sucks right now. It sucks right now. No, it sucks right now. I got so much to do. And it sucks when you lose. I got so much to prove. It's all true. This is what I love to do. Current girls really like have their own opinion. That's fine. The only opinion I care about is mine. I want a chance to try to put my hand on Romo's ribs. So I'm asking for some corner blitz. He can scheme it how he wants to scheme it. The play clock is running down. Every time I throw the ball, I'm on the ground. Congratulations to everybody that jumped off their couch. Until you're mathematically out, you're not out. I'm talking about the halls with back first. Belichick, it's Belichick first sight. Right. You gotta shine bright. You gotta cut this thing right. We're gonna show the world how we've grown up. We can't get enough here for their home teams. They're drinking early. Time to get moved out. Time to get rowdy. Stanford coming in hot. Fires me up a lot. Coming in hot. The halls with a great year. Don't get me wrong, I'll be better next year. It's still a long season. The first straight of the season. I really have to explain how I'm feeling. This season to come flat me. It's hard for me to come to work and be happy. The halls with angry coaches. Is this team emotionally soft? I can't answer that question right now. We're going to conclude on that.